Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me a question how you would do something like this, where this would all cut out, but you'd still have this engraving line to kind of define the shape of the heart. I made a little bit thick for the video so you could see it more, but that would be more correctly. So what you do is just take a heart from your basic shape tool under your flyout of your polygon. When you go to basic shape, you get your basic shapes up here. You grab your heart. Select your heart that you've made, and it could be any, it doesn't have to be a perfect heart. It could be a squished heart or whatever you want to do. Control D and make a duplicate, and then put that duplicate heart wherever you want. Just play around with it to your liking. I like to put it right here. This is relatively easy and simple and quick. So what you need to do then now is Control D and make a duplicate, have your nudge distance where it'll nudge it out of the way. Take your new one and weld it. Now you have the two pieces. Take this one right here and double click on that line and let's make it 4 points and black. Then take your virtual segment delete key and delete the lines you do not need. Now most likely there might be a hairline behind there, so we're going to cursor to the right, and there's not. I would just click on it again and make sure, and there you have it. That line will engrave, so if you do a combo job, that line would engrave first and then cut out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching. And just in case, you can always check that it's not a hairline behind there. You can make it a hairline and then just double click on it and make it back to black, because that's probably most likely what will happen. Matter of fact, let's do that little exercise over. I want to make sure I'm correct. I don't want to steer you wrong. I'm just hitting the backup key. So we've got the two hearts. We're going to weld that one. This one we're going to take and turn this line 4 points and black, and then cut that line. Yeah, that's right, because there's not two lines there. I was thinking, well, maybe there's two lines there. There's only one line there because we converted it. Then you take your virtual segment delete key and delete every line you do not need. And then just bring it over. That's one thing that's nice about the nudge distance. No matter where you put it, you can always put it exactly back. And then you could always put your names in there. I just drew two names out of a hat, if that's what you're planning on doing. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.